How to change your hearing aid battery. After the current battery is drained and no longer working, open the battery door and remove the battery. Spin the lock dial on the back of the package to securely position a battery with the forward-facing door. Open the door and remove the Rayovac hearing aid battery from the package. Remember to reclose the door to ensure batteries stay clean, secured, and protected. Remove the tab to let the battery air up. Then insert the battery into the door with the flat side facing up and close the door. Your hearing aid should now be powering up and is ready for use.